Hello and welcome to the How To Chef. My name's Jamie and today I'm going to show you how to finely dice an onion. This way is used by Michelin star chefs such as Marco Pierre White. There is a video out there that you can see him performing it as well. So I'm going to take you through it. It's very easy and it's very straightforward and very good for certain recipes where an extremely fine dice is required. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. There will be new content every single week. This is part 3 in a multi-part series on cutting skills. So make sure you subscribe for more of these and yeah, let's get to it. So this method does vary on how you're going to prepare your onion. With a traditional dice, you would prepare it like this and leave the root on, cut the top off and then we'll peel it. With this method, you can chop the root off as well. So let's use this as a starting point. So we'll chop the root off as well. Get rid of that. Then peel your onion. And then quarter your onion. Now this is the most important part. You just take a couple of layers. See that? So there's only 3 layers there. Let's clear that away. Push it flat. I might even cut that in half just for the sake of showing you properly. Right, and then as always, keep your fingers out of the way, and then basically you want to lay it flat so you can cut into very fine ribbons. So slowly move your hand back as shown in the other cutting videos. Cut behind your knuckles and cut along like that. So once you have it like that, then you just repeat the process, but on this direction. Now you can do this very fine. Let me just turn that to show you there. You can sort of work and push the onion forwards as you're chopping, and it is possible to do this as fine as you like. Just take a little bit more time with it, but you can see how much finer that is, and obviously you can go finer still. It just depends on what you need for your recipe. So look, even the fine dice, the fine dice against this even finer dice, so much finer. And if we take some, just to show you a comparison, in the other dicing video, this is the onion from that. I'll move it up here into frame for you. So you see how much thicker that is. This is a finer dice, and this is, you know, unbelievably fine. Do a couple more. I'll show you the much finer dice. So as with before, just break that apart, lay it flat. Just cut through as with before, then turn it round, pinch it all together, And there you are, a super fine dice. So that's your lot today. How to dice an onion very, very finely. Michelin star chef finely. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. There's a new video coming out every week. There's going to be much more of this cutting skills series. This is episode 3 of that series. So make sure you subscribe to see that content. There's also going to be a lot of recipe videos coming up, and also some ramen review videos that might tickle your fancy as well. So once again, please do subscribe to the channel. Every subscriber will help grow the channel, of course. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one. So thank you very much once again, and it's goodbye from me. Cheers.